Good morning, Class 4-3. Mr. Waterman here with today's language arts lesson in Period 1 on Thursday, January 21st, 2021. I hope you all are doing safe and well. Today we're going to have a test on articles on pages 139 and 140. Before I go over the directions to today's test, let's review our answers from the last grammar assignment on pages 137 and 138. So we learned to use a and an with singular nouns. We learned to use a if the next word starts with a consonant sound. Consonants being letters such as B, C, D, F, G, and so on. We learned to use an if the next word starts with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U, vowels. We learned to use the with singular nouns that name a particular person, place, or thing, such as the school. Finally, we learned to use the before all plural nouns. For our assignment, each sentence is missing two articles. We had to add the articles and write the sentences correctly. We did numbers 1 and 2 together. Let's continue. Number 3. Juanita asked the wise woman to turn her into a girl again. So I rewrite my sentence like this. Juanita asked the wise woman to turn her into a girl again. Okay, and don't forget your full stop. Number 4. This should be the wife of the viceroy spoiled the children, because children is plural. Let's rewrite the, and then lowercase w for wife. The wife of the viceroy spoiled the children. Okay. Looking at number 5, this should say, the cook said, I added a fly to your soup for the frog. Let's rewrite. The, lowercase c for cook. The cook said, I added a fly to your soup for the frog. Moving on to number 6. Adding the fly to the soup was an excellent idea. So now you all are getting really good practice using articles, so you should have no problem on the test. Okay. Now we are done with number 6. Moving on to number 7. Ranita told the woman, I was a selfish child. And we rewrite. Ranita told the woman, I was a selfish child. There we go. And the last one, number 8. Why is the boy feeding the birds? And we rewrite. Why is the boy feeding the birds? And there we go. Here are your answers for page 137. Okay? After you're done checking all of your answers, now let's move on to page 138. And we had a proofreading activity. Okay? So I did the first part with you, and the first sentence. Let's see if you are able to make the corrections for the rest. So it says, if you have a art project, that should be an art project, or a craft project to display. Please let the 4th grade art teacher know. A gift card worth $30 will be awarded to the artist who wins first place. And that's all we had to do for the corrections. So now I can rewrite it. If you have an art project, remember it's an because art starts with a vowel, or a craft starts with a consonant, which is C, project to display, please let the 4th grade art teacher know. A gift card, lowercase g, worth $30 will be awarded to the artist who wins first place. And there we go. We have corrected all of the sentences in this paragraph. Okay? Or rather, poster. Now, after you have made all of your corrections or checked your work, if everything is okay, go to page 139. Please listen very carefully as I read the directions and the sentences for today's test. Test. Articles. Part A. Circle the letter before the sentence that uses articles correctly. Number 1. A. Frog is not allowed to eat from my plate. B. An frog is not an very clean animal. C. I would not share my dinner with a frog. 2. Mayan emperor's daughter had spell cast on her, for A. B. Who would have believed she was the Mayan emperor's daughter? C. A wise woman said manners were important. Number 3. A. I liked the character of Pepe the servant. B. Pepe the servant is funny character. C. Pepe becomes an husband to Ranita. Number 4. A. What is moral of story? B. I enjoyed the story. C. Tell me a important event from the story. Part B. Circle the letter before the article that correctly completes each sentence. I'm going to change the directions a little bit so you can get 2 points for numbers 5 to 8. Circle the letter and write the article on the line. Five. Which of A characters did you like best? B. Which of an characters did you like best? C. Which of the characters did you like best? Number 6. There wasn't A happy ending for Felipe. There wasn't B. An happy ending for Felipe. C. There wasn't the happy ending for Felipe. Number 7. A. Did Ranita, a frog, really sleep in Felipe's bed? B. Did Ranita, an frog, really sleep in Felipe's bed? C. Did Ranita, the frog, really sleep in Felipe's bed? Number 8. Felipe didn't think he had to be nice to Ranita, since she was only a animal. B. Felipe didn't think he had to be nice to Ranita, since she was only an animal. C. Felipe didn't think he had to be nice to Ranita, since she was only the animal. Take your time, and remember, for 5 to 8, circle and then write the articles on the lines. When you are finished with page 139, please turn to the second part of the test on page 140. To help you, please remember, use a and an with singular nouns. Use a if the next word starts with a consonant sound. Use an if the next word starts with a vowel sound. Use the with singular nouns that name a particular person, place, or thing. Use the before all plural nouns. The directions. Read the sentences about the characters, about what the characters might be saying in the picture below. Rewrite the sentences on the lines below, adding articles where they are needed. Please listen as I read each one. Number 1. Felipe. That was not just arrow, it was golden arrow. Number 2. Juanita. If I rescue Arrow, you must make me promise. 3. Vieja Sabia. Juanita, I will take you to hunting lodge of the Viceroy. Number 4. Juanita. Be sure to set place for me at dinner table. And if you guys were paying attention, I gave you an answer for number 4. So hopefully you caught that. If you didn't, go back and play this part again. That's your only freebie. Okay? Good luck, and we will check the answers in Friday's class. Take your time on the test, and remember, go back and review the points before taking the test. If you have any questions, feel free to email Mr. Waterman. If not, good luck, take care, stay safe, be well, and I will see you in just a few moments in period 2. Bye-bye for now.